Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting me take the time to go ahead and make you this quick educational video. There's a few things I did want to go over with you today. So let's go ahead and just get into this. So the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything that you find on your front page here, any words that you use, photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. So Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone's going to type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will be a huge help. Now, I did put your information into a tool that we use here called Ahrefs. The only issue with using Wix websites, it's really hard to actually see what the analytics are for that website. So what we want to look at is going to be your trust and your strength with Google, which I think it's got a lot of trust here because it's a Wix website. Then you also want to go over backlinks and keywords, which I'm not sure how that's going to work with those because, like I said, you can hardly get the analytics on a Wix website, but I will show you on a different website what their analytics are. You can see what it is with them. So the next thing you also want to be involved in here is called the map pack. Now, I did look at a different area because a lot of the websites in the area for your competitors are also Wix websites, and it's hard to show you the analytics. But with that, what it does is those are going to bring you the map pack here. Anything that like people are searching for, like handyman services in their area, you want to be always in the top 3 right here and on this map pack. This is definitely going to be the best place to be. Oh, I did not mean to do that. The best place for you to be. And excuse me. So this is where the bread and butter is of people finding businesses and services in their area. So top 3 is always the place to be able to be found. So when we add all those keywords and bring up that strength and that trust, that helps you get found here. So this is a different website for handyman services. As you can see here, they have a lot of different content, a lot of pictures. There's so much stuff on that front page, which is definitely going to help you be having that strength and trust and all those keywords that you're able to then put into the front page and be able to be found easier. So to show you what their analytics are, they have 18 keywords and then the backlinks. So the backlinks, what a backlink is going to be anywhere that you find one website linking to another website. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So not all of these backlinks are the same. The links are not created equal. Some of the links are more spammy, some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are definitely more authoritative. That's going to bring the power to your website. Now, another thing you want to do is when it comes to your Google business profile, they give you an About Us section, which has 750 words. You want to be able to make sure you're using every single word there. And you want to also take keywords and put those keywords into the 750 words so you are able to be found better. Also, you want to have weekly branded posts and geolocated photos. That's going to help with your relevance and also make sure you're very responsive to your reviews and your messages. Now, another important thing is citations. So that's going to be anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number are in things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. So by going out there and giving your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase your relevance, and then it also helps with your website as well. So I want to say thank you for letting me take the time to make you this quick video. I will attach any of my information so that way you're able to get a hold of me. You'll have my phone number, my email, be able to text, call, email, whatever works best for you. And I would appreciate your feedback to see if any of these tips and tricks helped you out. But please, thank you again for your time. I hope you have a wonderful day.